Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I can create a photo to video zoom in transition edit on CapCut. So first I'm just going to change the format and then change it to square, and then I'm just going to resize it to make it smaller like so, and then I'm going to press freeze right here, and then you can make the duration smaller to around 2 seconds so the zoom isn't too long. Add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end, and you're going to want to zoom in until it fills the whole background, and you're also going to do that to the video, so zoom it in. So it looks like when it zooms in, the video starts playing. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!